Justine Greening and Greg Hands to quit last week in order to oppose a scheme he described in the Commons as fatally flawed. Boris Johnson chose to avoid the vote altogether, a swerve that prompted mockery of Labour MPs and criticism from some Conservatives. The Transport Secretary, Chris
7 o'clock.
was a very strong statement from Parliament.
A lot of it has gone on tomato sandwich.
Councils and campaigners
and here we go.
Challenge to the decision.
New figures show that investment in Britain's
very nice,
industry has fallen sharply in the past year. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders said it went from £647 million in the first
Polyframe to your right. Done some work for them, I don't know if that's still the same on that. There's a lot of properties, not in my homes. Yeah, I've done quite a little bit of work for all that.
Government's red lines on the type of deal it wanted were working directly against the industry. The government said it was working for a good deal with the EU, and firms such as Nissan and BMW had invested
messing
in
about
the
with
UK
Brexit, are
since the referendum.
President Trump
how long has it been since we voted out?
Motorcycle maker Harley Davidson.
Sure, it's 3 years. Might be 4. Sure, we voted out in 2015. 2014, where were I working? I think they were 50 when they voted out, so August, September 2014. We never get the full picture of those little fish, do we? We never really get to know what the full sort of picture is, so how can we really make an informed decision if we haven't got the full facts?
There's real concerns expressed by the United States on that collective defence and want Europe to bear its fair share, and with emerging threats, and also with gaps in defence capability.
Like a wacky race, isn't it? I have to concentrate there. Somebody's driving out with backside, somebody's trying to cut me up from right. Quiet contemplation as we drive along the awakening metropolis that's West Yorkshire. You like that? Don't get any better than this, does it?